So today we're going to be cleaning up these rims. Summer has just somewhat begun. I guess it's not really summer yet, it's more springtime. We're in the spring. Got an opportunity to clean up these rims. So if you guys have chrome or aluminum rims, this trick should work for either or, and it will help you guys clean it up. Now it's not going to get this pitting out, but it'll do a really good job, and you'll see a world of difference. So stick around, I'll show you guys how to make this rim look like a show rim. First, you want to start by cleaning up your wheel. So we're going to dip that in there. Soap water. Clean up your rim. This whole process probably takes about probably about 30 minutes, depending on how bad your wheel is and how shiny you want to do. Look at that, looking better already. Wrapped in some new tires. I prefer using the rough side and the smooth side. I prefer using both sides just to really get all that grime and stuff off. Now they do make better, this is just an old dishwasher sponge that I use. They make actual automotive sponges that you guys can use and buy. I just had this laying around. So I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna clean up this wheel, dry this off, and I'll get right back to you guys in a second. Alright, so you got your wheel clean. It looks better, but it doesn't look that good. And the secret to making this look nice is Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. This costs about, it depends on what size you get. This size, I think, was the biggest size. This costs about $10. You can get a littler size that'll run you about $6. You want to grab yourself some application pads, and then you just want to grab yourself some microfiber towels. Alright, so the way how this works is you take your application pad, you take your polish. Since I only have one hand, I'm just going to dip my fingers in there. You don't need much. And just run it across your aluminum or your chrome. I'm only doing it this way because I have one hand. Normally I would dip it in the application pad. Oh no, got some on the tire. Some brand new tires too, man. Alright, so you're gonna take your application pad. Now the directions on the bottle says that you don't need to use much elbow grease, which just means you don't have to press very hard. You can just lightly run it. I personally like to use some force, but make sure you get all the cracks, all the crevices, or all the chrome the aluminum is. And you want to keep doing this until your pad turns gray, or until you see like the cream turns gray. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. Because right now, remember, it started off as white. Alright, so here's a better comparison. So once it turns gray like that, the pad was already kind of gray, but you can kind of see. And once the cream turns gray, once that stuff all turns gray and it's not white anymore, then you want to stop and wait for it to dry. So then your next part is you want to grab your microfiber, clean microfiber towel. You probably want to buy, if you're doing all four, I'd probably buy eight microfibers. You can get away with probably 3 or 4, one for each rim. Depends on how many times you want to do it, but you just want to wipe it away with your microfiber. You might have to wipe a couple times depending on how dirty your microfiber is. Mine's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna have to do it a couple times. You just want to wipe the stuff away. This is very simple. There's no sanding. You don't need any power tools. You can, if you want to go more into depth, you can do the sanding. But this stuff works freaking great, man. You're gonna want to keep rubbing until your towel turns like a gray, blackish color. I'm gonna have to go grab another clean towel, so I can already tell that this one isn't picking everything up. I'll be right back and grab another towel. Alright, so we got another clean towel. Now we'll start wiping. Now this is just the first. Again, you can do it as many times as you want to get that real nice shine that you're looking for. And I prefer putting elbow grease in it. Put some pressure on it, apply pressure. That's what elbow grease is. See how your rag is starting to turn a little black. Now I'm gonna do this a couple times. I don't have much because I just did my other 3 wheels. And you can already see that it looks way better than what it did before. It's gonna need some attention over there, especially over there. And that is one layer. Looks way better. Yes, there is still some pitting in there. I'm gonna have to sand it down and do some wired wheel work and stuff to get rid of the pitting and really get it going, but this will do for now, and I'm happy with the results right now. I'm gonna do this a couple times, and then we'll see the end results. All right, and just like that, I am done. I can only do 2 layers, but you can see it, the results. The rim looks way better now. Yeah, it looks way better now. Shining, there is, if you get up close, there is still some pitting on there that I would have to do some actual physical work and yeah, the rim looks way better now. So thanks for watching, and you guys can use this product on anything. This thing works on anything. I even used it on my trash can. The trash can. Used it on my trash can. Trash can really shined it up. You can use this product on your headlights. You can use it on other household items. It doesn't have to be automotive items. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.